Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I would like to share how I make my vegetarian fried rice at home. So let's get started. So first, I would like to introduce you to all the ingredients I'm going to use later. So here I have some white steamed rice. Later I'm using sesame oil, carrot, spring onion, bitter bean, mushroom boyong powder, salt, sweet soy sauce, Indonesian one, vegetable oil, onion, garlic, and chilies. If you don't like spicy, you can skip the chilies. And for the condiment later, here I have peanut crackers, which is I made last night, or in Indonesia we call it rempeyek kacang, quick Indonesian pickle, vegetable, or we call it acar, fried tofu and tempe, this tomato and cucumber for the garnish later, and some mushroom, which is I'm going to stir fry it first. So let's make it. First I'm going to cut the mushroom into small pieces. Now let's heat it up the pan, medium heat, and I'm going to add splash of the coconut oil. Add the mushroom along with the pinch of salt and black peppercorn. Now the mushroom is done. Let's put it aside. Now I'm going to chop the onion and garlics. Chop the garlic finely. Let's put it aside first. Slice the chilies thinly. So for the bitter bean, I cut into 2 pieces. Slice the spring onion thinly. Let's make it thin and long. So here I'm using same pan like the one I used to cook the mushroom earlier. Let's turn on the pan. Add the vegetable oil. Add the onion. Cook until it's soft. Add the garlic and chilies. Add the bitter bean. Mix well. I cook the bitter bean around 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the carrot and spring onion and cook for 2 minutes. Then add the rice along with the salt, mushroom boyong powder, and sweet soy sauce. Mix well. And the last one, we add sesame oil. So now the fried rice is ready. Let's plate it. So I'm going to shape it half bowl. So for these recipes, we made 2 portions. Stir fry mushroom. Quick Indonesian pickle or achar. Fried tofu and tempeh with splash of the sweet soy sauce. And peanut crackers. Sprinkle some crispy garlic. So here we are, vegetarian fried rice. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write it down my email address in the description below. And if you like my video, please give me thumbs up and do subscribe so I can make more video in the future. And I hope you enjoy my video. Matur suksma. Bye bye.